Good day, everyone. About 4 weeks, 1 month had passed already. Indeed, there is a kind of relief feeling, but in the same time, there is a kind of hidden fear and secure feeling, which it's quite natural. What's happening now, really? You will find it's going sometime 2, 3 hours, 4 hours, maybe five, without thinking about nicotine at all. And all by sudden, you have a small reaction here and there. Something provoke your not really desire, because there's another thing about desire, but it's provoke your need, your memory about the old habit, you see. And that's happened. We have to allow it. In addition to this, then every few days coming, what I call it sometime, it's tsunami reaction. So every few days coming one strong reaction, and it's overwhelming. It's sometimes you begin to doubt all your decision. If you shall take one puff just since you haven't been smoked for 1 month, just to test it how it is, such kind of sensation and of mental reaction can happen. Nothing to be worried about. They are a part of the recovery system. So what's happening? Sometimes can go 4, 5, 6 hours without thinking about nicotine at all, and all by sudden you have a kind of mild desire to it, or mild, memory to it, call it, yeah. And then every few days coming a tsunami reaction, a bit strong, is not intense, is not all the time, but it come and then it disappear. But when it's coming, this is a problem. We call it nicotine trance. That's you have no control over yourself. Your mind just focusing in one issue is to find excuse to go to reach for your own nicotine or to your own cigarette, you see. So there is no rational thought. You find that the thought of nicotine is dominating at this particular moment. The best situation, there's two ways you can deal with this situation. There's many different ways, but there's two psychological ways. One is to sit and to let this sensation, craving sensation coming through, which is a bit unpleasant, but feel it, sense it, and analyze it, and fight it there. Another way is just to stand and to do something else. Yeah. Third way, try to use the clinic theory as absolutely effective. Just get 3, 4, 5 inhalation until your body realize that you mean really business and you are decide, not even a puff, you see. Other way, you can use as well the emergency anti-craving kit. Yeah. So there is different way of dealing with it. But what I try to say now, after 1 month of quitting, there is a first crisis coming now. The crisis, it's about, I don't feel to smoke, I quit smoking, but how one cigarette tastes after that long time, you see. And this is the trap, because you feel in control, you feel you had managed already 1 month, you had been through many situations without any with temptation, what you managed to fight it, and now you feel so confident. This confidence is mixed with a desire how the old habit tastes now. You see, this is a problem. So much confidence and small desire, and this make you feel that you are in control, and a lot of people unfortunately fall to this trap. So be careful with it, not even a puff. What it will happen, as I say, sometimes it can go 4 or 5 hours, nothing, and then mild desire or mild feeling for the old habit coming, and it's gone. Yeah, and then every few days coming one tsunami reaction, every 4 or 5 days, one strong and sharp, is not long time, but it's sharp reaction. And in this situation, we advise you, try to move, do something else immediately. Don't let it dominate you. Or break this sharpness of this desire by using the anti-craving cigarette. which it's absolutely effective to break free from this dominant desire that you couldn't control by logic or by rational mind. Yeah. And then we advise you to go on using the medicine even if you don't feel desire or even if you don't feel any need for a nicotine anymore. Still, the medicine, we advise you to use it according to the timetable. But again, remember, don't fool yourself, not even a puff. And ahead of you, from here to the second month, you will feel sometime the desire coming, sharply. And more you accept it, less of it will come. And more you show you are determined regarding your decision, not even a puff, less of this desire will come to you. Okay? So be careful what you're telling your subconscious mind, what you order your subconscious mind to do. That's more positive you are, more determined you are, more stamped, decided you are, less of this reaction will be there. Okay. Thanks for your attention, and hopefully we meet in 3 weeks' time from now. Have a good day.